everybody, it's Gail from the Happy Stamper. Thanks for stopping in today. So I just got my Stamping Up order in. This was a pre-order I did. I'm a few days off here recovering from some surgery. But I got my Stamping Up order in, and then I also got in this really cute little goodie that I wanted to share with you. And I haven't even put my stamp, I call it a Stampasaurus, but it's our Stampartus together. I know, I am like so late to the party on this. But I did get one, and so I have a Cricut machine, and I wanted to get a cozy for my Stampartus. So the gal who made the cozy for my Cricut made one for my Stampartus. I like to call it a Stampasaurus. I love the Tiffany blue. That is like totally my color. It's got a Velcro closure here. She does the prettiest quilting. So now I can store safely my Stampasaurus in here, really called the Stampartus, and take it with me or just keep it here on, I have a pile over here, but nothing will get scratched. Isn't that so cute? So I have her business card down in here. Her name is Kathy's Cozies. If you'd like more information, let me know in the comments below. I'll also put her email information in the description box below this video. So just click on the show more and I'll have her information there. But isn't this just adorable? I love it, and it's so soft. It's so well made. I've had her cozies for my Cricuts for years, so I'm really excited to have this. So thank you, Kathy, for your great work. You're just brilliant at quilting. Okay, so I got the Gotta Have It All bundle, and this is available for you guys as well to purchase. And so I just thought I would show you what I got in this bundle because I think it's kind of exciting. This is really fun. This is the Statement of the Heart: to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. This box is so cute, and I thought I'm going to repurpose this too. But it's got all sorts of good little twine and laser cut tags and paper clips and little roses, just cute little embelly pack. Of course, I had to get the stamp because I've seen beautiful projects made with this. Love it. So I'm going to be making some of those, and I'm going to make things too for as I get new sister stampers with me in my little Stampin' Up family. I'm going to make little goodies with them for that. Of course, I got the Big Shot embossing folder. Super excited to use this. I have a sample here for you using it. She embossed the label here. And I also have this pretty from my Stampy sister, Cindy, where we used the little sponging to color in the flower. Gorgeous. I got another one of the Grapefruit Grove stamp pads because that came in this suite. The pearls are beautiful. We used those. Well, you can see them here on this card. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And they're just little, so they add just the right amount of prettiness, if you will. Here's another sample of the pretty colors. Just gorgeous. So I'm excited to use those. I'm excited to use the new shimmer doilies. Love What You Do stamp set. Absolutely beautiful. What else did I get? Oh, I got the bouquet bunch framelits. This is a really pretty stamp set, you guys, and I completely overlooked this, but it is so full of sentiments and images, and then it has the matching dies. So I'm going to be creating with this, but this is a huge set, you guys, and and it's much larger than it looks on the front here. These are much larger, and then it's got a boatload of sentiment, so I'm excited to try that. That's beautiful bouquet. But in regards to this suite, you also get this awesome stamp set, Make a Difference. This is an alpha set, and it's got, you know, hand stamped by From the Desk Of, but it's got some really cool fonts. And then along with the suite, you got very vanilla cardstock, and this is the Share What You Love. This has all the pretty colors that coordinate with the gorgeous 12 by 12. Yeah, you know what I'm doing today. The velvet ribbon, and then also a pack of very vanilla. So that's my recent exciting package that just came in the mail. Well, actually, it was a few days ago. So I'm super excited to play with this today, and I hope you guys were able to take advantage too of getting your pre-order in. And again, you know, if you have a Stamposaurus, these cozies are fantastic. No need to scratch and damage it in any way. It fits in there nice and snug. I love it. I love it. And then you can take it anywhere or put it anywhere, and you don't have to worry about it. So that's it for me today, you guys. I am working on garage sale stuff. We have a sale coming up here in my neighborhood, so I am going to be putting tons of craft things out that I'm not using any longer. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a happy Mother's Day. As always, great big hugs from me to you, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.